Thank you for your interest in the Personal Style Indicator. I'm the co-author, Dr. Ken Keys. The Personal Style Indicator is a competitive or alternative to Myers-Briggs, DISC, True Colors, MBTI, many of the other personality assessments that are in the marketplace. We created the Personal Style Indicator because we wanted an alternative that was, in our opinion, better served the learner. So this tool has now been in the marketplace for 40 years. It is the #1 personality or personal style tool in the marketplace as graded by the participants. So you get this report. What I have in my hand is the online report. Now all the tools are online or mobile friendly. So you can take your phone and you can complete the tools on your phone or a digital device, whatever it is that you would like to. As well as the report, when you complete it, you're going to get your in-depth interpretations. You're going to get a bar graph. We have 21 patterns where most of the other tools will have 16. And in addition to that, depending on the scores, you could have to have up to 2 or 3 different reports. Those reports then can combine to almost 200 different combinations. So we really are there to serve the learner. Certification is not required for the Personal Style Indicator, so it's user and learner friendly. Anybody from 15 years of age or older can use the tool. It's written at about a grade 8 read level. And when you go online, you have 16 sets of 4 words. You have to choose out of those 4 words, what are you most like me, 4, 3, 2, and then 1, what are you least like me. The in-depth interpretations gives you 2 pages for each profile on your strengths, your challenges, the reaction as far as working on a team, leadership, reaction to stress, and we also have a whole set of recommendations of what I could do to kind of go to the next level. Now there are some support materials for you. There is a sample report that you can download from this page. There's a white paper that we have that goes through all the differences on the tool. We also have a book, Wired to More Like Me, that will be able to support the implementation of the Personal Style Indicator. If you want to find out more or learn more about the Personal Style Indicator, just email us or contact us with the phone number that's on the page here, and we look forward to serving you.